I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photos and tapping Albums, then Recently Deleted. This folder holds items for 30 days. Once there, scan thumbnails and tap Select to mark photos to restore. You do this because iOS quarantines deletes for recovery. Make sure your device is unlocked and has enough battery, otherwise the restore may pause. If you don't see the photos, make sure iCloud Photos is off or on consistently. Either state affects where images live. Once done selecting, tap Recover to move items back into your main library. This is instantaneous for most photos, but large batches can take longer. You do this because Recovery resets the file's delete flag and reindexes it into Photos. If you have iCloud Photos enabled, make sure the same Apple ID is signed in. Otherwise, check iCloud. Comms Recently Deleted and recover there. For many images, recover in small groups to prevent timeouts and to monitor progress. After recovery, verify the images appear in Photos and any synced albums. Thumbnails must finish downloading if iCloud Photo Library was used. If some are still missing, check iCloud Backups or your Finder/iTunes backups for an earlier copy, because Recently Deleted only holds files for up to 30 days. If recovery fails, sign out and back into iCloud or reboot the iPhone, then reopen Recently Deleted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.